Alright, I've got my second ThredUp Goody Box here, and we'll see what's inside. I had a modicum of success with my first one, so I thought I'd try a second one and see what was sent. I have my intrepid assistants. Hopefully we'll get through the box without an incursion. And let's see what we have. Oh, looks like we've got a box ready for winter, which is good because it was 31 degrees this morning. So let's see what we have here. It looks like, let's see, this is Patagonia. It feels like wool. And it is, it's Merino. Gray and red, a little sweater. And let's see. Now this one is short sleeved, which doesn't follow, but Pendleton. Good. Sherpa, no. I didn't think it would work, but a color I love, purple. Now here, this one looks, oh, heavy. Oh, yeah, that one would keep me warm. Let's see. That is, come on, Patty, you're better than this. Oh, LL Bean. Okay. We're getting all the name brands in here. That looks like a nice sweater. Let me see if we can figure out what it is. I'll have to look for the tag. It feels, yep, there it is. It feels like it's a nice material. Merino again. They paid attention. And let's see. Oh God, this one's got to be cashmere. I can feel it. Oh no, Merino. Okay, this one's Talbots. Oh, that's lovely. It's a beautiful color. I love purple. And let's, pants. These look like the same pants they sent me last time. Maybe, but not quite. Black pants. And this is in is it a skirt? Let's see. No, it's a dress. Oh my. J.Jill. It looks like is it button down? Sherpa, we don't need your help. It's velvet, that's for sure. My heavens, that is interesting. I will have to see what that's about. It looks like it's going to be long enough for me. I'll have to try it on. Huh. Another sweater. Man, they are prepping me for winter here, which is good. I'm always cold. Good heavens. Let's see, this one is Worth. Nice and soft, pretty color. See what this one's made of. It's always fun to find the tags on things. Yes, Sherpa, do you have something to say? This one is also wool. Good. I'm all for the natural fabrics. Oh, here's a bright pink. Oh, a turtleneck. I don't wear many, but you know, in the winter sometimes for a layer, I love them. This one feels soft. This is going to be Merino or cashmere too. Let's see if we can figure out who it is. I'm really sorry about the camera, but as per usual, my husband is not home and it's just me. So this one is Bloomingdales and cashmere. That one's great. And we have a pair, this is cords from Vineyard Vines. They are navy. Okay, and the last thing is a skirt of questionable pattern. So we already know how I feel about that. But we'll go on, and this is a DKNY. But I do not like that, so we will see. We'll get it tried on and we'll see, but not a bad box. And now I'm sure Sherpa will be jumping in to try things out. Right, Sherps? and I'll try everything on and let you know how it goes.